Meet Christopher Latham Sholes, the man who gave us the typewriter. He was born in 1819 in Pennsylvania, and he grew up to be an inventor and newspaper editor. In 1868, he patented his design for a typewriter, which also included this, the now famous QWERTY keyboard layout. He arranged the keys in this way to reduce jamming on early machines. And it's estimated that 90% of all typewriters and word processors use this layout. Not bad for a guy who died in 1890. But back to the story. His invention made writing faster, clearer, and more efficient. It changed the way we do business, journalism, and offices all around the world. Though he never grew wealthy from it, his name is forever cemented in tech history. That's all. Subscribe for more and see you in the next video.